Welcome to the video from pepperPM on how to add a new purchase order. After you've logged into pepperPM, click on PO, and we're now on the purchase order screen. This lists all the previous purchase orders, who they were to, who requested them, some other information. Let's do a new purchase order, and we want to pay with our Visa card, and their vendor is Acme. Notice that drop down, whenever you see the little pepper icon, that means you're going to have a drop down box, so just start typing. So we're going to create this for the demo user. The idea of created for is sometimes you have an administrative assistant or another person creating a purchase order on behalf of somebody. So if the project manager asks someone to create a purchase order, you would put the project manager in here. Any notes? So we're going to here is the view purchase order page, and you can see we don't have any items in there yet, so we're going to add items to the purchase order. So let's say we're going to get a new laptop, and the item number, SKU number is 1023 or whatever. Let's just do laptop, and then the new mini, and we're going to buy one of them, and the new ones are like $3.99. Now for the project, if you start typing, you'll get your list, and there's the project number and the project name, and ordered for, let's order for this for me. I'm kind of picking it out for myself, but you could, on a purchase order, sometimes you will have multiple items and they'll all go to different people, so that's why you can change who you're ordering the item for. This is hardware, so we can pull a report based on that. What does the item do for us? Need for editing code while on trips. How's that? It's already got the manufacturer in there, but we can change it. Sometimes they're different. You might order something from Best Buy, but the manufacturer might be Microsoft, so you can pull a list of all the Microsoft projects. This is reoccurring, yes, and this is a nice little feature because I can actually pull a report that says all the items that are reoccurring 3 years ago from today. So I can pull a list on all the items that I might need to replace for next year, so I can pull it up to help do the budget. We want to put a general ledger account feature in here so that can be added later on. I'm going to hit done so you can see that it's actually put this item on our list. I'm going to add another item on there. Let's go battery. What's a laptop battery? $100 nowadays. Project. It's ordered for me. More hardware. And let's say this was pens or pencils. You could say a box of 100 if you want, or a case of 32. This one here, it's just each, and there's really no unit quantity, but if you're going to order supplies or whatever, this could be helpful. The purchase order module is really nice because if you have someone leave and someone come in and take over an administrative position, administrative assistant position, they can actually go in and see all the items that last person ordered. So when they need to reorder supplies, they can. Now we're not going to put this as a recurring item because we just may not. So let's just go ahead and hit done, and you can see there's our purchase order. Now some of the things that happen, you can add tax in there, which it's the same thing, it just adds the item as tax. See, item name equals tax and the item category is tax. So just a couple of pre-fill buttons to help you out, and that's if you want to use this more along the line of an accounting system. Now this can be set up so that it sends an email to someone to approve the purchase order, and that's not working right now. This is the demo site, so we should know that. But when the item comes in, they could actually go in and type the real price of this thing. So let's say it came in and it was we get a discount, so it was $350. So we could actually go through and put the real value of these things in. Now the fun part. Let's actually print it. If you hit print, it's going to make a PDF file for us. And this is pretty easily customizable. where you can say it's a purchase order and put all of the stuff, and it's a pretty simple little PDF form. And that's about all there is to show with purchase orders.